Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make God in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add earth. Then, add earth with earth, it will become a mountain. Add earth again, and it will become a volcano. Add water to the volcano, and it will become lava. Mix water with lava, and it will become stone. Combine lava with stone, and it will become obsidian. Take obsidian to the side. Then, on the other side, add earth with wind, it will become dust. Add earth again, and in dust, it will become a planet. Take the planet to the side. Add water to the other side. Then, add fire to the other side. Combine wind with fire, and it will become smoke. Mix smoke with water, and it will become fog. Combine fog with planet, and it will become Venus. Add fire to the other side. Add water to fire, and it will become steam. Add earth with steam, and it will become a bud. Add matte with Venus, and it will become atoms. Add water to the side. Add earth with water, and it will become a plant. Add smoke to the other side. Combine wind with smoke, and it will become a cloud. Mix cloud with cloud, and it will become rain. Combine rain with plant, and it will become a flower. Add wind with flower, and it will become a dandelion. Add obsidian with dandelion, and it will become a clock. Combine clock with clock, and it will become time. Add water to the other side. Mix water with water, and it will become a lake. Add water again, and it will become an ocean. Add earth with ocean, and it will become Iceland. Combine Iceland with Iceland, and it will become a continent. Add mountain with continent, and it will become Asia. Combine continent with Asia, and it will become Europe. Add your time, and it will become eternity. Combine eternity with atoms, and it will become God. Now you can see God in Infinite Craft. That's the way to make God in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.